In this video, I'll share with you how I replace this broken, outdated strap with this new hidden bracket. Prior to removing the strap and downspout, draw a line on each side of the downspout to mark where the new bracket will go. First step is going to be to remove the existing strap and anchors. This first one has a screw, but the second one has a nail that holds it in. Now with the nail you have a couple options. You can pull the nail out, but you're going to risk pulling out some of the mortar between the bricks. So I'll just leave the nail in place and clean up around it. The easiest way I found to get these plastic anchors out is to turn a screw in about a quarter to a third way in and then just pry it out. And when I'm finished, I'll just fill the hole with some clear silicone caulk. Next, using the bracket, draw a mark where you want to drill the hole. It's best to drill the holes in the mortar, since if you make a mistake and want to move it, it's much easier to repair a hole in the mortar than it is to repair a hole in the brick. And if you don't have one already, you're going to want to either buy or rent a hammer drill. With your drill bit in the drill, set the guide to the correct depth for the screw. To secure the bracket, I used a 3/16 by 1 3/4 concrete screw. Make sure you use a flathead screw, and I recommend a Torx screw since it slips a lot less than Phillips screws. And you'll need a 5/32 masonry drill bit to drill the hole for these screws. I'll leave a link for these products in the description below. When drilling the hole, try to make sure you keep the drill as perpendicular to the cement as possible. If you find you're getting resistance, you may want to pull the drill out to clear the hole of the debris. Next, using the cement screw, secure the bracket into place. Set your drill to a medium-low clutch setting to ensure you don't strip the hole. In the event that you accidentally made the hole too large, either by stripping the hole when you inserted the screw, or maybe you wiggled the drill some when you're drilling the hole, just tap one of these expandable plastic anchors into the hole. Then you'll be able to secure your screw into it. Next, you'll repeat the same process for the bottom bracket that you did for the top bracket. When connecting the downspout to the bracket, drill a 3/32 hole into the downspout. Then, using a number 8 1/2-inch screw, secure the downspout to the bracket. Here I'm going to share with you what the new PVC downspout bracket is like. This bracket is unique in that the downspout just snaps into it. There's no screws to hold the downspout into the bracket. So that kind of makes it easier for, say, removing the downspout if you have a plug downspout. But ultimately, I went with the aluminum bracket because I like the fact that the aluminum bracket is secured with screws, thus eliminating the chance that the downspout will fall out during, say, high winds or when a plug occurs and the downspout becomes heavy. And here you can see I'm comparing the original strap with the new hidden bracket. I definitely prefer the looks of the hidden bracket over the original strap. And I feel the hidden bracket is more convenient if you ever want to remove the downspout for any reason. This has been a DIY Saver production. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, click the like button. And if you want to see more content, hit subscribe too.